Using my duct tape seat covering, partial of course.
Beautiful.
It was leaking all around it and just sitting on there. So I just slid it down in.
All right, we're gonna try this battery out. This is temporary. Left feet's hung over. Got a good plate with some rubber, and still clears everything. Got the wire ran. We can just hook on here. I'll get a deep cycle back here. We'll wire it up to the trailer so she charges. That's for a project another day, some fabrication. I gotta close all this in and go from there. She looks okay. Just a quick fast down and dirty welding last night, and I'm fine with it. But as soon as Jim gets done, we'll start hooking this car, making some good progress. Try out this new winch. If you don't know, that's the inedible Jim up there in the blue shirt, and that's my friend in the jacket. And he has a lot of cars, and I invited Jim down to see if he could buy a couple, because I've already bought 4, and I need to sell some more before I buy any else. But this is a one owner documented original title 75 Monte Carlo with a 352 barrel. So Jim's planning on driving it 800 miles home from Georgia to Iowa. You can check that out on his channel. Right here, I'm just trying to let my truck softly engage into full drive. I like to go from drive reverse a couple times. It has the original hubs and they work great, but sometimes I like to just double check them. And I'm using the world's worst mirror, and I think Jim doesn't realize that.
Let's try that. You gotta swing the front end. The tires are already turned a bit. Yeah, so we're okay. Let's try it right there. Shut her down. Give me a little tug. Okay.
We need
They're
to
all turning, they just drag. Come on back. Try that right there. It's wrong, but I don't foresee it taking off. She's dragging pretty good.
Yeah, I think it'll be all right.
I want to hit the edge with the rear because when the front swings over.
Yeah.
That does. Give me back the car and all. Oh, right there. I think we straighten her out. Yeah, you got to turn it. All right. How's it look over there, Jerry? Looks good. All right. Start straightening out. There you go. Stay right there, straight. And now give me some right. I think perhaps.
All the body lines on this car were matching right up with the rails on this trailer. So I will be taking these rails off one day soon, but I'm gonna have to add some channel on this trailer to really beef it up. This is not a car hauler. I just want to make sure everybody knows that.
Okay, hold up. Okay. Come on up. Out. Okay. Okay, here. Hold up a second.
Get another 2 feet out of her.
Well, she broke that block, but I think 2 feet's got to put her right on the 4x4 here.
Yeah. That's all I got, Jim.
Well, I like it.
Hey, watch that. Watch that.
That's good. Hold it right there. Hold it. Back it up. Back it up. There you go. Get you in there, put it neutral.
Real quick update. The car's really bad backwards. We gotta.
No. We made it.
Yeah, we made
it like
it.
a quarter mile.
We did. We'd rather get her down in better weight. You got it?
Yeah. See, she got rolled just fine.
All right, let her down.
You steer it, give it a little left, just a tickle.
Let me down easy. Go ahead.
You're rolling good.
Yep. There went your muffler. Keep going.
I'm letting it catch up to the winch.
All right. All right. Trying to watch your bumper. Over here. Alright, she's much better.
Just went on hook it and I'll roll it back.
Yep. Man, Jim, a winch. Who would have known how good that would be? All right, she's here. We're just going to get a parts list for this car for Jim so he can be prepared. And
window glue.
Window glue. We'll get this thing going. And Jim's most likely going to be driving this back to Iowa next month, give or take. So tune in to the inevitable Jim. I can't even say it. Geez. Inevitable Jim. And we'll go from there. And if you're curious about this Harbor Freight winch that I paid for and I'm not sponsored, just a real review.
And two guys expertly installed it.
Yes, she worked really good today. I would highly recommend it. 12,000 pounds.
Hold on to that and you go hit the power.
Oh yeah.
We'll get it tight.
Very nice setup. You're gonna have to walk it to the left hard.
I got you.
Yeah, it's pulling Jim. We're doing it. And I've still got some work to do back here. Yep. Thank you very much.
No problem.
I might hook her to the back here. All right, let me shut this video down. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed watching that.